According to the great philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche, one of the greatest dangers in our social system is becoming what other people expect you to be. How very dangerous and an uncomfortable but truthful thought that is. Because how much of what you believe, want, desire and pursue actually comes really from you, and how much has quietly been absorbed from the society around you to make you think what others want you to be. Nietzsche deeply challenged the idea that we should simply accept the values handed down to us. He was profoundly interested in what happens when a person begins questioning those values and starts confronting the possibility of creating their own. This is one of the fascinating areas explored through this philosophy diploma course, where philosophical ideas are examined and questioned. And Nietzsche takes that questioning much further. He wasn't suggesting that becoming yourself means doing whatever you feel like doing. It involves struggle, self-examination, and overcoming aspects of yourself that may have been inherited, imposed on you, or accepted without ever being properly questioned. Who have I been conditioned to become by this social system that we are hooked up to? That question opens the door into an enormous area of philosophical depth and thought. This philosophy diploma course provides an opportunity to explore Nietzsche and many other influential philosophers, their ideas and the questions they have raised about human existence, knowledge, morality, and the power of society placed upon you. Explore the Open College UK Philosophy Diploma course and discover where deeper philosophical thinking can take you. To learn more like this, see the website link in the description and on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.